Well, hello my lovely love bug fabulous goodies. Welcome back to your girl channel, How to Cook. Yes, honey, I am turning up this KFC fried chicken in my kitchen with the twist of my secret ingredients, honey. Yes, I am here to give it all. Look at that yumlicious goodness right there. Of course, the girl had to add in her little homemade gravy in to splash pan the nice up macaroni and cheese with that mashed potato. Yes, honey. Yes, all good up in here. Look at that. Friday night KFC in my kitchen never get no better than that. Girl is getting it in, y'all. The thing is massive. Now, if you are here and you're watching me cooking for the very first time, make sure that you have subscribed, y'all. If you have not subscribed, make sure to do so. Turn on your post notification settings so you will always be reminded whenever your girl upload a brand new video. Make sure to check out my channel, Life as Juliana, and make sure you subscribe here. And yeah, are you ready for the recipe? Yes, honey, I'm ready to give it. Come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him wine to get turn your back on your brother when him.
Okay, goodie, you ready for cook? Yeah, let's cook. Now I have 12 drumsticks right here. I washed them nice and clean. Lemon juice, salt, and vinegar. Clean. Alright, now what I'm doing here, I'm going in and adding some apple cider vinegar to get the thing started, okay? Then I added some salt to the chicken. I actually added about 2 teaspoons of salt. Now, if you don't want that much salt on it, use a 1 teaspoon and that is fine, okay? Then also to that, I went in and I added some white black pepper. 1 tablespoon of white black pepper. You don't have white black pepper, use black pepper, but white black pepper is preferred for this particular fried chicken recipe. All I'm doing here is mix up the thing, set it aside for about 30 minutes tops. Moving right along, I added my Pepsi. If you don't have Pepsi, go ahead and use Coca-Cola to that container. Now, in that container, you're also going to add 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Add that to the mix, right? 3 large eggs, boo. Add it in. After you add that all in, you go ahead and you add your flour to it as well. I'm adding about 1.5 cups of flour into that mix. To that, I'm just going to add a little bit more white black pepper, and then I'm going to add just a little bit more salt, and just add in my dry thyme, my basil, and I'm going to add some oregano. Yeah, that's what I added to it. And after I did all of that, I went in, mixed it all up, mix it real good. Get the lumps out, you know, as much as you can, but mix it, twine it, mix it up good, real good. And then you want to go ahead and set it aside. Now, your next thing you want to do is get another container, and in that container you are going to add once again your all-purpose flour to that, right? Depending on how much flour how much chicken basically you're going to make, you might need more. I think I added about 2.5 cups to 3 cups of all-purpose flour there for my chicken, because at 12 me I do. Now to that, I added some more of that white black pepper, and then I added a little bit more salt. I also added 1 teaspoon of baking powder to the mix, right? Very simple. And then I added some onion powder, and I had garlic powder as well. Then I added my all-purpose seasoning and my chicken seasoning. Those are a must for this recipe, because you don't want tasteless fried chicken. Homemade Kentucky Fried Chicken tasteless? No. So I added some poultry seasoning, and then I added some paprika. Mix that all in like so. Just mix it all up. Make sure you get everything all mixed up. Cause we not gonna eat tasteless fried homemade Kentucky Fried Chicken. No, not in our we're not gonna do that, boo. Now your fryer needs to be on 350 degrees. Whether you're going to fry it in a pot or whether you're going to use your deep fryer, it has to be 350 degree. With everything all prepped and ready to go like that, I'm going to take my chicken one at a time, dip it into the paste mix. As you can see, it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just perfect, because you don't want it to be too thick, okay, because you're going to ruin the texture of the flour when you fry it. So you go ahead and you dip it into the flour gently, please, gently. Good. I'm gonna rough up the thing. No, rough up the thing, boo. Gently shake it off real good. Get some of that flour off and then dip it back into the paste mix again, just like that. Gently, right? Gentle, as gentle as you can. Shake off some of that liquid first though, okay, and then you put it back into the flour mix. This time though, you're going to take your hand and crunch everything, squeeze up the flour on the chicken. That's how you're going to get that crispy, crunchy, munchy type of thing. Now you're going to go ahead and just go place that chicken in that oil, and you're going to fry them goodness up until they are crispy, juicy, nice and golden brown, honey. Golden, like golden brown. Yeah, we don't eat white golden brown. We talk about golden brown, like that. Crispy, juicy, munchy, eatalicious, gummylicious chicken, fried homemade chicken in a my Jamaican kitchen, Kentucky style, y'all. The secret is out. Yes, boo. That's what we are talking about, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, Jesus. Lord of mercy. Chicken never looks so good in my Jamaican kitchen out there. Can you bite that? A pure nice, crunchy, 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 crunchy business. Right. It's a perfect, perfection. Good. Look at that. Nice. It came out nice. It's good with some homemade gravy. I made some mashed potatoes because I'm doing Kentucky Fried Chicken style tonight in our house. Yes, everybody have pierced my my body face, and of course the girl going to get it all in because me hungry now. Yes, boo. Crispy, crunchy. Me going to bite into that crunchlicious stuff. Now be sure y'all that you have subscribed already. Y'all make sure to subscribe. Good, spread the love. Tell everybody to come check out your girl how to cook. It is always something good cooking up over here. Tell me what you would like to have me cooking next in my kitchen, right? Because I always try to deliver, and as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.